Assemble your SizeWise Hardware Mounted Gate using the outside mount option. Before you begin, check that all parts are included and in good condition. Measure your opening and use the chart to select the correct position setting. Mark your mounting points on the outside of the opening. Be sure to lift the wood hinge to the upright position before marking the hinge side holes. Drill the mounting holes into the wall. Insert the appropriate wall anchors based on your wall type. Next, attach the bushings together with the foot to the gate. Position the gate and secure it using the long screws. Attach the spacers and threaded inserts to both gate sections using the provided screws. Tighten until the gate is firmly mounted and aligned. Confirm the latch locks properly and the gate swings freely. Your outside mount installation is now complete.